In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on Coinbase in 2025. Whether you're updating your contact information or switching to a more secure email, this process is straightforward and essential for keeping your account details accurate and up to date. I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you feel confident and informed about the procedure. First, you need to log into your Coinbase account. This is the portal through which you'll manage all of your account settings, so having access is crucial. Once you're in, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the menu icon, which resembles three horizontal lines stacked one on top of the other. Tap on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu filled with different options. From the menu, you'll want to navigate to Account and Settings. Once there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with this section. This is where you'll find various account configuration options. Specifically, you are looking for the phone numbers section to confirm you're in the right place. After ensuring you're in the correct area, proceed by scrolling to the email and password section. In the email and password section, you'll come across the current email address associated with your account. Look for the option labeled Update next to your email. Selecting this option is the first step in initiating the change. Enter your new desired email address when prompted. It's important to ensure that you have access to both your current and new email inboxes at this point, because the next step requires verifying the change through them. After entering your new email, go ahead and check both your old and new email inboxes for verification links. You'll find one in each inbox. Click on these links to confirm your request to change the email address associated with your Coinbase account. This step is crucial as it adds a layer of security, ensuring that the change is authorized by you and no one else. Once you've clicked both verification links, Coinbase will process your request. It's also worth mentioning that for added security, Coinbase requires a 24-hour waiting period before you can make any withdrawals from your account with the new email address. This interval is a security measure designed to protect you from unauthorized access to your funds in the event of any suspicious activity during the email change process. These steps collectively ensure that your email update on Coinbase is done safely and correctly. By taking your time through each step, you're safeguarding your account. Thanks for watching, and now you can feel confident in maintaining up-to-date contact information on your Coinbase account. Stay secure and see you in the next video.